Alright, so before I quit messing with it tonight, I just wanted to show one more little test. So I've loaded it all up with white pixels, 532 of them to be exact, and let it run. Nothing got warm, nothing got hot, nothing popped. But one of the main reasons I put the fuses on it to begin with, and the little connectors, was for when we hook stuff up backwards, which happens, right? We've all done it. And probably going to be more or less more realistic than us overloading it, because I think most people will be smart enough to do the math on how many pixels they're hooking up and realize they need to keep it within 5 amps per output and 30 amps total across the board. But hooking stuff up backwards is pretty common. Happens to everybody. If you haven't done it yet, you probably will eventually. So what we're going to do is take this 5.08 that's hooked up right here, and we are going to touch these two together, just like if we were hooking something up backwards. See if I can get everything in the frame at once. And there it went. So it is gone now. And it did kill the power. Power's gone, so we're negative 1.05 or whatever. Let's pull that fuse. If I can get to that fuse. Let's see if we can show it on camera. I don't know if it'll focus on it or not. Let's try it right here. That fuse is blown. Probably really hard to see. Let's try in more light. There we go. I think that probably shows it a little better. There we go. Yeah, so that fuse is blown. Nothing wrong with the board whatsoever. Flip it over, you can look at the back side of it. It didn't pop anything. Nothing's melted. Nothing's burned up on it. So now what we'll do is we'll make sure those two are separated again over here, and we'll pop a new fuse in it. Guess I'm gonna have to steal a fuse from somewhere else. So I'm not seeing one over here. Alright, so steal a fuse out of this kit. Alright, so we'll pop that fuse down in there. Alright, and we are back to 5.08. So, as you can see, grounded out. Popped the fuse, did exactly what it's supposed to do. Didn't let it get back to the power supply. Didn't let it melt any wires. So, there's two more good tests for you. Alright, have a good one.